Hello everybody, myself Asif Pazheri. Today I'm doing a reading on derivative pricing and valuation, that is CFA level 1 Chartered Financial Analyst CFA program reading 49, and the name of the particular topic is binomial model for option valuation. Now before explaining binomial model for option valuation, let me give you a brief idea what is a call option and what is a put option. Now, I'm giving an example. Mr. Raju purchased a call option at $50. So let's have a marking on here. Mr. Raju purchased a call option at $40 with an exercise price of $50 for an underlying asset which has a spot price of $48. This means today the price of this commodity is $48. Expiry date of the contract is 24th of August 2021. Now let's believe that Raju has to conduct the marriage of his daughter. For the marriage of his daughter, he has to purchase some gold ornaments. Suppose today 1 gram of gold which costs, let's assume that this is $48. This is the spot price. Spot price means $48. So Raju worries that after 1 year, that means during the time of his daughter's marriage, the price of the gold per gram which may goes to $60 or which may goes to $70, it may increase. Okay, so he want to protect the rise in the price of the gold per gram. So for that he purchased a call option. Call means he has the right to purchase or not to purchase, but he don't have any obligation to purchase. Suppose if the prices goes to $60, he will be able to purchase 1 gram of gold at $50. So he is having a value by exercising the call option of $10, but he paid a premium fee, that is $5. So after he's having a value of $10 and he paid a premium of $5, so which is having a profit of $5 per gram. Suppose if it is $70, he can still purchase the gold per gram at $50. But the profit, that means the value of the call option, that means plus after 1 year the price of the gold is 70, but Raju can purchase 1 gram of gold at $50. So he's having a value of $20, but he paid a premium of 5, so he's having a profit of $50. This itself is a question. Now I'm not discussing about the value, I'm not discussing about the profit. Let me discuss how this 5, the premium of 5, how it is computed. It's like an insurance premium. What is the logic behind the computation of, what is the logic of setting the price at $5? That is what we are going to discuss in binomial model. Okay, now before going to binomial model, let me give you a brief idea about what is a put option as well. Now the same, instead of Raju, now I put Manu. Manu is a trader. Okay, Manu purchased a put option at $4. Manu purchased a put option at $4. Okay, with an exercise price of $50 for an underlying asset which has a spot price of $52. Suppose let's think that Manu is a trader. Presently 1 gram of gold is costing $52. After 1 year, Manu has to sell the gold in his hand at $50. He believes that after 1 year, he is having some fear factor that after 1 year, the price of 1 gram of gold which may fall into $40, which may fall into $30. Okay, even if the price is fall into 40, he will be able to sell the gold at $50. Suppose if the price into fall into 40, he is having a value of $10. He is having a value of $10 because value of $10. Okay, for getting that value he paid $4. He paid $4. If the price is falling to 40, he is having a value of $10 because 50 at $50 he can sell at current market. At that time the market price is $40, so he's having a value of $10 For getting that value, he paid $4 as the premium. So he is having a net profit of $6. This is his value. This is his profit. Okay, suppose the price fall into $30, he will be still able to sell at $50, and the value, it is 50 minus 30, which is 20, and the profit is still, you have to deduct the premium, which is 60. That is your net profit. Okay, now in binomial model for option valuation we are discussing how we arrived the value of a call option, how we arrived the price of a call option is $5, how we arrived the price of the put option $4, how you computed this much premium, like it's like an insurance premium, how you arrived, you have to charge $4 for a put option and $5 for a call option. This is what I'm going to discuss in binomial model. Okay, now this is computing question. Okay, computing question on pricing. Okay, now let's discuss this question. Calculate the value today of a 1-year call option on a stock with an exercise price of $50, with an exercise price of $50. This means after 1 year you will be able to sell your you will be able to, this is a call option, right? Call means you can purchase, you have the right to purchase or not to purchase. Okay, you have the right to purchase this stock. This is not gold, now we are talking about stock. Okay, this stock at $50, assume that the risk-free rate is 7%. That means the interest rate, okay, is 7%. The current value of the stock, right now the value of the stock is $50, both are same here, and the size of upward movement is upward movement is 1.2. Okay, now let's discuss this question. Okay, now the price of the stock, which is currently $50, the price of the stock is currently $50, which has, there is a possibility of upward movement, which is 1.2. Okay, this means 1.2 times the price may increase, that is 50 into 1.2 up to $60. The price of the stock could move upward, at the same time there is a possibility this could go downward. So the downward is 1 over 1 by 2. If it's upward, it is 1.2 possibility, then the downward is 1 over 1.2. The what is that, 1 divided by 1.2, which is 0.8333. That is 83%, 83.33% possibility for a downward movement. So the price of a downward movement, which is 50 into 0.833, which is $41.66. So this is the upward movement, this is the downward movement. Okay, now present market price is $50, right? Let's see. Suppose if the price of the stock is moving to upward up to $60, now Mr. Raju, in the early example, Raju still able to purchase the stock is at $50. Suppose he is having a call option in his hand, he can still purchase it at $50. So his value is 10. His value is 10. This is something related to the call option. This is related to something is call option. Okay, now this is the value of the call option. This is the value of the call option after 1 year. Now in binomial model, we are just computing the probability and we are finding what is the price to be given for this call option, Okay, now for computing that, there is a probability of upward movement as well, there is a probability of downward movement. Okay, the probability of upward movement, it is 1 plus risk-free rate minus downward movement divided by upward movement minus downward movement. Okay, the probability of upward movement is 1 plus risk-free rate minus downward movement divided by upward minus downward. Okay, so now risk-free rate in our question is 7%. 7% means it is 7 by 100, which is 0.07, Downward probability, which is 0.83333, it's continue recurring. Okay, and upward is 1.2 minus 0.8333. That is the downward probability. So it is 1.07 minus 0.8333, which is in the numerator it is 0.2366667. Okay, and the denominator is 1.2 minus 0.8333, which is 0.36667. Okay, so the probability of upward movement is 0.2366666 divided by 0.36667, which is 0.645. This is the probability of upward movement. So the probability of upward movement is 0.645. Okay, upward movement is 0.645. So probability of upward movement, which we have computed, which is 0.645. Okay, if there is 64.5 percentage possibility for upward movement, this means 1 minus 0.645, that means 35.5 percentage probability for downward movement. Okay, these are mutually exclusive. Either it may go upward or it may go downward. Okay, now we are going to compute what is the price of a call option. Okay, the value of the call option is $10 after 1 year. Okay, and there is a possibility of upward movement. The probability of upward movement, which is 0.645. Okay, 0.645. Okay, this is the upward possibility, so which is equal to 0.645 into 10, which is 6.45. So the value of the call option after 1 year, this is after 1 year, we are talking about in 2021, which has a value of 0.645, sorry, which has a value of $6.45. Okay, now this is after 1 year, this is the price after 1 year on 2021. You have to compute the value, the price of the call option today. So for finding the price, you have to make it a discount after 1 year, which goes to 6.45. Now what is the value today, which is divided by 1.07, that is discounting. So 6.45 divided by 1.07, which is 6.02. So the value today, which is 6.02, value today is 6.02. Okay, this is about call option. This is about a call option. Suppose if this is a put option. Okay, suppose this is a put option. After 1 year, you want to sell this stock at $50. Even if the price is $41.16, you will still able to sell at $50. So your profit is 50 minus 41.66. So this is $8.34, which is your profit. $8.34. There is no point over here. Okay, this is okay, ignore it. Okay, 8.34 is your profit, $8.34. So this profit which you are generating after 1 year, and this has a possibility of downward movement, has a possibility of 0.355. This has a possibility of 0.35. So 8.34 into 0.355, which is 2.9607. 2.9607. This is the value after 1 year. This is the value over here on 2021. This is the value. So in order to find the value today, you have to discount it. So value today, it is 2.9607 divided by, in our question, the risk-free rate is 7%. So divided by 1.07, which is 2.76, that is $2.76. This is the value of a put option. This is how we arrived how to value of a put option, and this is how to value a call option. What is the price of a call option? What is the insurance premium is to be charged for a call option? In this case is $8.34, and what is the insurance premium is to be charged for a put option, which is 2.76. Thank you everybody. This is my first video on CFA program. Waiting for your response. A lot of things has to be important, has to be improved, I know. Okay, thanks for your support. Thank you everybody. Thanks.